In this video, we review Binance. Have you used Binance before? What was your experience? Leave your Binance review in the comments section below. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, has garnered global attention and user feedback that paints a complex picture of its strengths and limitations. With over 600 cryptocurrencies and a daily trading volume in the billions, Binance is both appealing and challenging for users around the world. Recent insights reveal that Binance processes nearly $76 billion in daily transactions, which is more than its closest competitor, Coinbase, and positions it as a pivotal player in the digital currency ecosystem. The platform is lauded for its diverse offerings and low transaction fees, making it attractive to experienced and new crypto traders alike. Binance offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, futures, and margin trading, allowing users to leverage assets for higher returns. Additionally, Binance fees are generally low compared to other exchanges, with the standard spot trading fee at 0.1%, which can be further reduced for high-volume traders or those using Binance native token, BNB. The platform's liquidity is another major plus. High trading volumes ensure that users can buy and sell assets quickly without price discrepancies, making it ideal for active traders. However, Binance is not without its downsides. One of the most significant issues for U.S. users is regulatory scrutiny. Binance's main platform, Binance.com, is unavailable in the United States, forcing American users to rely on Binance US, a more restricted version of the platform with fewer assets and features. This separation can be frustrating for U.S. users who want access to the same expansive features as international users. Additionally, the exchange has faced regulatory challenges in multiple countries, from the UK to Japan, which could pose risks to its operations and potentially impact users' access to funds and services. Security on Binance has been both a positive and a concern. While Binance has enhanced its security measures since a 2019 hack that resulted in a loss of $40 million, some users remain wary. Binance has since introduced features like the Secure Asset Fund for users, SAFU, which acts as an emergency insurance fund to protect users' funds in the event of a breach. The platform also provides advanced security options, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and withdrawal whitelist options to enhance account protection. However, some users still find security concerns unsettling, especially given Binance's high profile as a hacking target. The platform's customer support is another mixed area. Some users appreciate Binance's comprehensive help center and 24/7 customer support, but others report delays and unhelpful responses, especially during high-traffic periods. Binance has attempted to improve this with its automated customer support and resources, but user experiences vary widely depending on the issue at hand. Binance offers considerable educational resources and an intuitive interface that, while complex, can be customized to fit the user's trading level, from beginner to advanced. This adaptability is a significant advantage, making it accessible to a broad audience. For many, the platform's advanced trading options and low fees outweigh the limitations. However, potential users should be aware of the platform's regulatory issues and potential customer service limitations. In summary, Binance stands out for its robust features, global liquidity, and competitive fees, positioning it as a top choice for international traders. Yet, its limited accessibility in the U.S., combined with regulatory and security concerns, may deter some users. For those looking for a comprehensive platform with extensive trading options and educational resources, Binance remains an attractive choice, provided they weigh the risks alongside its advantages.